I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today I'm going to make shrimp alfredo. This recipe is broken down into 3 parts. The first part is the shrimp. The second part is the pasta. I'm using shells. You can use whatever type of pasta you want. And then finally the sauce. For the sauce you're going to need butter, heavy cream, parsley flakes, garlic cloves, black pepper, and salt. Our first step is to boil water for our pasta. For the water, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Once your water is bubbling, add your pasta. First, you can mince some garlic. You can either mince it or you can use a garlic press. Another option is to use a garlic press. A garlic press I find much easier than chopping it myself. All you gotta do is smash it. Take off the excess and repeat. Now that the garlic is minced, I'm ready to continue making my sauce. So you need to cut some butter. My family likes to have the sauce very buttery, so I have here 5 tablespoons of butter. So now I'm going to melt my butter, and then I'm going to add in my garlic, wait for it to combine, and then I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. Now I'm going to melt my butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add in my garlic. Continue to stir your minced garlic in the butter until you can start smelling your garlic, and then you're going to add in your heavy cream. Then you're going to mix it. Keep on stirring and then add some salt and pepper. Then you gotta mix it. While my sauce is simmering, I'm gonna prepare my shrimp. To prepare my shrimp, I'm gonna have some salt and some pepper. Then you gotta mix it. Our next step is to put the shrimp in our pan. Saute the shrimp until they turn pinkish. Cook your shrimp until they become pinkish, and then you're going to want to add them back into your sauce. And finally, add your shells to your alfredo and shrimp mixture. You want to give it a nice stir to mix everything. Finish off the dish, add parsley for garnish. To thicken up the sauce and also give some flavor, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to mix it in. Stirring until the cheese melts and thickens up the sauce. Here is our completed dish. If you're like me, you'll add some sriracha. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make shrimp alfredo, so can